Women are an integral part and an essential part in the community.
What needs to change?
That if you feel in your mind that you are fit for that position, go and apply.
Have you ever felt underestimated?
My name is Hafsa Chaar.
I'm Laetitia. To pass this message لأنه مثل ما قلت أكيد.
So don't feel shy.
Being more courageous and taking more opportunities.
Yes. The sky is the limit. We're under the condition that it's only for boys. It's your turn actually to put the light on you. The strength is coming also from yourself. Shall I tell you something, Laetitia? You feel happier when you give than when you get. Everything comes with practice. And you say, okay, I'm here, I'm ready.
The most important step is to start.
Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 10 times. Shed the light on you.
Yes.
Give a mark
Yes.
before leaving the room or the meeting.
Yeah.
Hi, Laetitia. How's it going?
Good, and you?
Yeah, so glad to be here today with you.
I'm so glad you came, and thank you for coming.
Oh, thanks for you. Thanks for the invite.
Thank you. I'm sure our viewers are also so excited about this podcast.
Absolutely.
Yes, we're going to talk about a lot of interesting stuff. So, would you like to introduce yourself a bit to our viewers?
Yeah, my name is Hafsa Chaar. I'm a mechanical engineer graduating from the American University of Beirut. I pursued a master's degree at McGill back in 2007 in management and working here in Montreal on big projects with the companies, engineering and construction companies since 2000, the year 2000. And recently, now I'm working on the project of RAM, actually, where we delivered already the segment 1.1
Wow.
that you saw 2 weeks ago.
Yes.
So I hope that you've seen it. Have you taken a trip in the RAM?
I haven't yet, because I don't go very far often, but my friends have, and they said it's very good, like makes their life very much more easier.
It is.
Yes.
To tell you the truth, the REM project is really, it's very much appropriated to
Yes.
Montreal City.
Yes.
It's done to help the citizens in
Yes.
Montreal navigate through all the cities in Montreal. So we've got like 26 stations.
Wow.
And you could go up to Laval North, or you go to the South Shore,
Yes.
to Brossard.
A lot.
And we're still working right now, actually, on the tunnel of Les Aéroports de Montréal, which will connect to the airport,
Yes.
the downtown Montreal to the airport. And also, we have another segment that's coming recently, which is what we call the segment of Sainte-Anne-de-Bellevue.
Okay.
So you'll be able actually to go to Pointe-Claire, Sainte-Anne-de-Bellevue, Jean-Yves. So definitely, so this is like a connection to all Montreal.
That makes a lot of stuff easier, and
absolutely,
even like for people who are coming to uni and to school from very far, it makes their life easier.
Yes. So whatever you'd like. So I'll be actually here, your host, if you'd like to go and visit this project or visit the cities.
I'd love
to. So we could go and do a tour in the train.
I'd love to.
It's a completely electric train. So there are no drivers in it.
Yes.
So it's really monitored remotely by the operators.
Okay.
And so definitely you're going to enjoy the scenery.
Yes. And does that make it more dangerous or not? It's totally safe, that there's no conductor?
Extremely safe. Actually, we did all the studies on safety, fire and life, fire and life safety.
Yes.
So evacuations, we did all the tests, we did all the studies, the analysis. It's extremely safe.
Okay. Wow. Okay, I'd love to go.
Absolutely. So you're now eager to go.
Yes.
Here we go.
After finals,
so
though.
Yes. Absolutely.
Okay. And I'm Laetitia in a club named POW, providing opportunities for women in engineering. And I'm so excited to have Madam Hafsa Chaar with us today.
Thank you so much.
And
thanks a lot.
I'm excited to start. You went to AUB for uni. And AUB is in Lebanon, so our home country for both of us. And that we miss a lot. Are you going back for Christmas this year?
Not for Christmas, tell you the truth. I just came actually. I came back in August.
Okay.
So I stayed there for stayed there for a month and a half.
Okay.
I spent the summer holidays
Yes.
with the family.
It's the best time there.
Absolutely, it was very hot as usual.
Yes.
No, it's a very very hot climate over
Yeah.
there, but it's a fantastic country.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
So I was wondering if you could go back to your 18-year-old self that just started uni in AUB, what would you say to her?
Good question. I will tell the girl that you did a good choice. You're doing now a good choice, actually, choosing engineer
Yes.
as your discipline and going into career as a mechanical engineer,
Yes.
namely. So this is really a very good choice for a girl. It's very much empowering
Yes,
discipline.
it is.
First of all, engineering, usually we have like we're under the conviction that it's only for boys. However, the women, the ladies, they have really the capacities to go
Yes.
and excel in engineering.
Yes.
So definitely, I would recommend engineering to any lady or girl, that wishes to
Yes.
go into this discipline.
Yes. We should change this view of it's only for boys. And I think we're doing a good job at it, but we should still continue and do more. And talking about AUB, was there like an event, a professor, or something that really marked you or that you liked and you want to share with us?
AUB's experience is really special.
Yes.
I still have excellent, very good memories out of this. This is an experience to live.
Yes.
So it's not only going, to get, classes, to do your courses,
Yes.
exams and stuff. Of course, there's lots of tension.
Yeah.
Let's say
Yes.
it. Engineering,
Yes.
it's Laetitia
Yes.
yourself. Engineering is a tough discipline.
It is.
However, what's nice about it is the environment, the
Yes.
professors themselves. So the way they explain to you, I'm pretty sure it's AUB and it's other.
Yes.
You find this, what shall I say, proficiency in the disciplines everywhere you go in any university. However, AUB, it's the environment, it's the friendship that I built, it's the memories, it's the help of the people that you see there. So up till now, believe it or not, my best colleagues, my best friends are the ones that were with me at AUB. Absolutely.
Yes.
So we were keeping excellent relationships.
Yes.
And we email each other, at Christmas or other events. And if somebody is sick or other, so we take news of
Yes.
each other. So that's really the thing that after 30 years of my
Yeah.
studies and courses is still living with me.
Yes. My dad also went to AUB, and his best friends until now are the people that were in AUB with him. And we know their children, we always go out. And so I agree that the friendships you do there, they're really strong. And
Absolutely.
that's what keeps you going also, I feel, in uni.
Exactly.
Because, for example, when I try to study alone, I can't. But then when you study with the people, you go out with them, you share experiences.
Absolutely.
And it helps with the uni experience a lot.
There's something that I would like to share with you that those relationships were very special. Uh, as I said, the courses were difficult, right?
Yes.
And we had courses. Actually, every other Saturday we had quizzes, and we had like 2-3 quizzes consecutive. However, the Saturday where we didn't have any classes, we used to plan outings together in a bus. So we used to hire a bus and take all the group of the friends and go out to the cedars, to the mountains, wherever, and enjoy the time. So it's like building up this team spirit between us. And another thing is that when you needed some help, say for example in your homework, you had, I don't know, a question whereby you couldn't answer, or there's always someone who will come and help you.
Willing to help.
Absolutely. So this spirit of teamwork was exactly built at that time from the, when we were studying at AUB.
Yes, that's so nice.
And that's what marks actually AUB, and I believe McGill.
Yes,
it's exactly the same.
We have a good communities here also, and also friendships. I visited AUB and it's a beautiful campus.
It is.
So
it's so much comparable to McGill. So when I was also studying at McGill, I found really, those nice buildings, the nice architecture,
Yes.
the features that are really specific for the university.
Yes.
So McGill, with the history it has, and with the memories, and with the good professors that they have.
Yes.
They have built up, like, a big what you call the renommee, so
Yes.
big name, exactly similar to AUB. So
Yes.
AUB, every single building has its own history, its own spirit, its own stories. So you find similar, very much
Yes.
similar features between the two.
They do look
universities.
similar, and even the campus and everything, the garden. There's also a big garden in AUB,
At
if I
AUB,
recall.
yeah,
Yes.
absolutely.
And so it's very nice to see how, even though like it's in another country, like people have very similar experiences even when they
Lots.
don't know it. Talking more about engineering and now in the work field after all the uni years, have you ever felt underestimated?
So, definitely, when you are in a meeting, sometimes you feel, or you see that the client is more addressing, say, his words to your colleagues, the
Yes.
male engineers, or to your boss, right, who's a
Exactly.
male, and putting you a little bit aside, so
Yes.
not addressing directly the word to you or looking at you, for
Yes.
example. So it happened. Like, at first when I started, especially in Quebec, like when I started being here in meetings, in
Yeah.
coalition meetings. So the way I saw it, for sure, like I said, definitely I should at least leave a mark
Yes.
before leaving the room or the meeting.
Yes.
So the way I did it is that I always ask questions, and good questions. So I think about the question,
Okay.
and I will ask it,
Okay.
and I'll then this way the client will be eager to address his
Yes.
word to you directly and to talk with you, and then we will see that you are really eligible. You've got lots of
Yes.
knowledge, so you know
For
about
sure.
your project, you know about the insights, you are asking good questions, addressing what's coming up, and etc. So this is the way. So you always put, you shed the light on you.
Yes.
So even though you're still in the shadow, but it's your turn actually to put the light on you,
Yes.
and actually to let the others be attentive.
That's a perfect technique, I think. And I like, it's unfortunate we have to do this to be able to be seen,
Sure.
but like a small effort, like you said, can go a long way and can put the light on us, and we do deserve it. Like, we're
Absolutely.
as knowledgeable, if not more,
Exactly.
than our peers.
Exactly. And another thing is that you should say leave the impression, and by asking the people around the table, please CC me. Like,
Yes.
you ask them politely to
For the
CC you,
email.
for example, in emails or in letters or in any
Yes.
correspondence that belongs to your project. So this
Yes.
way they know that you are active and you are really a member of the team,
Yes.
right?
And to show your involvement, and to
Exactly.
say like, I'm also like, I want to receive all the information,
Sure, in
everything.
order to help you.
Yes.
So actually, the way I address it to everybody is that I'm here to help you guys.
Yes.
So please, address your question, put me, CC it, or directly to me, and I'm here actually, to
Yes.
address the questions, to respond.
For sure. I'm gonna do this in the future.
Absolutely.
And I'm gonna remember what you told
Yeah,
me.
this is the way actually to empower you. Empower
Yes.
yourself, and you put, as I said, the light
Yes.
on your personality.
Without being scared of it or anything.
Not
Like,
at all.
I'm here to help you.
Yes.
Please CC me
Yes,
and acknowledge me.
absolutely.
Yes. Very good. Thank you.
No,
And
welcome.
talking also about empowerment and like being acknowledged. What's your definition as Hafsa of strength? And has it changed over the years, you think?
Yeah, actually, there are two aspects of strength over here. First of all, as an engineer, the first thing we are responsible for, especially like now when you're gonna be actually in the field of the at work, is to master really your project, to know your project, and to know exactly what are the questions to address during this project, and what answers do I expect from the others. If I'm with the client, so I prepare myself. It's like doing a devoir. I do my homework.
Okay.
This is the way I do it. And I always tell my junior engineers that when you go to a meeting, you go prepared.
Okay.
Very important. First thing is the strength of your technical,
Okay.
what I call the technical skills.
The technical skills.
Second thing, the strength is coming also from yourself.
Okay.
That means your self-assurance.
Okay.
That means your character. That means your leadership.
Okay.
It means my soft skills. Like
Okay.
I'm talking now with you. I see your smile. I see you're very zen. You know, this is emanating from you. So this is yourself, and this
Okay.
is your leadership.
Yes.
See? So it's exactly when we are in a meeting, we should exactly give the client or the others that feeling of being self-confident.
Okay.
So when you are self-confident and you talk with somebody else, everybody's gonna feel at ease and they're gonna give you respect. They're gonna respect you. So it's gonna empower you in another way. So the strength is emanating from our inside, from our inner part. This is something that we have to build up.
Yes, we do.
It's not coming like now I'm talking with you, but for sure when I started work, it wasn't this way. I used to be a little bit more nervous. I used to be nervous at meetings, and when you become a little bit more experienced at work, it's coming with experience. It's coming actually with exercise. It's coming with yourself. So this comes with with time.
Yes. So preparedness, technical skills, and also soft skills.
Absolutely.
I believe they're very important. And as you said, like people are scared to do it, but I feel like it's kind of a loop. Like the first step is hard, like starting to talk. You feel nervous, you feel your voice is shaking, but then when you start, it continues, and like you see people are actually looking and listening to you, so it builds your confidence up, and then it continues. And
Exactly.
so the most important step is to start.
Exactly. And there's something is that if, for example, you're supposed in a meeting to give a presentation, it happens that your boss asks you, for example, to prepare a presentation and to give it, to present it to the people, to the audience. So what we have to do is to exercise, to practice this presentation. So you're gonna do it once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 10 times, until at the end, you put the papers away and you say, okay, I'm here, I'm ready to give my presentation. So it's only a few notes, maybe just a few keywords, on a piece of paper, and that would be enough. So this is the way it goes. All these people who give, for example, even your professors, our professors at school or whatever. So this is the way you think that by practicing many times, many years, it becomes, integrated, right?
In their
so
heads.
it's there. So
they just say it now.
Absolutely. So exactly. Everything comes with practice.
Yes, I agree. Technical skills and soft skills are very important for sure. But do you feel also that your family, your friends, votre entourage en français, really helped you, pushed you, like also contributed to what you're doing now and what you had done?
Lots. Yes. Honest. I wouldn't be here now in my career if I wouldn't have full support blindly from namely my parents. I owe them lots, honest. So I'm not gonna get tears now in my eyes, but definitely if it wouldn't have been from them, I wouldn't have been here for sure. First, the support that they give you, and they have really to believe in you. That's very important. So from my childhood, first of all, as a disabled person, it wasn't easy at all, getting around with, everything. So they were pushing me like, Hafsa, you don't have anything to do. You're not responsible of anything except of your studies. The empowerment I got is really from my parents and the support, full support. So I wasn't responsible of anything except go study, get grades, and go get your diplomas, and that's it.
Yes.
They wanted to ensure that I will be completely self-independent when I'm gonna grow up. I wouldn't need anybody, and I will have my profession. And they knew that I'll be able to do that.
Yes.
So with my grade, I was always a top student actually at school.
Yes.
And so actually the sky is the limit, what we say.
Yes,
So
it is.
So I pursued my degree, engineering. I pursued my master degree. And then after they said, if you want to go on a PhD if you like, I said, stop it here. So I had to go and practice right now,
Yes.
But definitely my environment was very much supportive.
Yes.
So parents, family, my grandmother, lots. Around me also my brothers. And so you feel that, everybody's pushing you, everybody's supportive.
Yes.
Even my friends, everyone. It was really a very good environment. Everything was tied up in order to let me be here where I am today.
For sure.
And I'm grateful.
Yes.
I'm very much grateful.
I also believe like a lot of our strength comes from our family, our friends, people who are behind us. They're always here for us, and even our friends, for example, and our siblings. For example, my roommate also, she always makes sure I'm good. For example, the day before an exam or a test, she like prepares me a breakfast or something so I can feel good going into this exam, and it do help a lot.
Absolutely.
And as you said, the sky is the limit, and my mom says, "See you at the top." So
absolutely. Actually, this is exactly what we feel, and we are proud of our families, right? Really, we have very much supportive families in our environment, that's for sure.
Yes.
Out of question.
And we're also grateful for that.
We are.
Very much.
We are. We owe them lots.
Yes. And هيك عم نحكي عن لبنان. We're gonna switch in Arabic. I'm gonna put the subtitles for people who don't understand. بس هل حسيتي شي مرة إنه لبنان ونحن بنعرف إنه Lebanese people they have a lot of resilience. Like حسيتي إنه هيدا كان engraved in you in your personality وساعدك بالشغل بكل شيء إنه تقدري توصلي لوين وصلتي وتعملي اللي عم تعمليه.
صحيح. يعني